Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, we have this hand-free. One speaker is working, the second is not working. How we can test it? Take multimeter, set to ohms. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 metallic connectors, and we have 3 plastic rings, the white ones, 1, 2 and 3. These are separators. So we have to place the black lead at the ring number 3 from outside, 1, 2 and 3, and the red lead at the 4th connector. It should be around 1 kilo ohm. It is reading 972 ohms. That's good. Now move the red lead to the first connector. It is 20 ohms. That's good. That means one side speaker is working. Now move to second ring, metallic connector. It is not working. It is open. We can identify, we can place the hand-free in our ears, and we can check the sound, which one speaker is not working. Set to continuity and just place black lead to the one ring, and we can check the click sound in the ear. This speaker is working. The second one, this one is working. The second one is not working. So we can directly open this one using a sharp knife. Open it and we can see here is a disconnection. We have disconnection from this point, so we have to connect this wire here. Now we can check the resistance of the speaker. 21, 1 kilo ohm. So this hand-free is now repaired. This stopper here, it have no good length, so we can remove this stopper. We will make a knot here so that it will not pulled out, and we have some good length inside this hand-free. Now it will not pulled out. So I removed this metallic stopper so that it will not touch to the points and it will not make a short circuit. We will make a very slight touch here with the soldering iron. We can also apply a super glue. For final testing, one kilo ohm, 22, 20. So this hand-free is now functional. I hope so this video is good. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.